My hubby needed something for lunch, so I'm going to make him some spicy baked chicken spaghetti. Now, this meal is cheap, fast, and easy. You're going to start by sauteing onion and garlic and then add 2 cups of cooked chicken. I use canned chicken, but don't tell the internet because they will flip out. And then I added some Italian seasoning, red pepper flakes, salt and pepper. Combine all of those ingredients together and then boil an entire box of spaghetti noodles. Once the noodles are done, you're going to drain it, add it to a bowl, add your cooked chicken, and then add whatever sauce of your choice. Yes, I'm using canned spaghetti sauce. I'm so sorry to all my Italian followers. Mix that together, and then I'm adding it to a foil-lined pan to make cleanup easier. Spread it around the pan, and then you're going to sprinkle some Italian cheese over the top. I'm also going to add some Parmesan cheese. I preheated the oven to 350 degrees. You only need to cook it for about 30 minutes. Oops, I forgot. You also add Italian seasoning to the top to make it look pretty. This is what it looks like before going into the oven. I broiled it at the end to make the cheese nice and brown and crispy. And then I'm going to put it in little containers for his work. Thanks for watching.